doing like this? Give me umbrella if you like to die. You're the distraction to give you. See, if you push me again, I push you and push and push. I don't know. See, Liverpool supposed to do. Don't worry, your plan. I will take care of this.
Thank you. Stop lying.
My second name is Nance. Don't worry, I'm okay, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm okay. Let's go this direction. Hello, baby. What's up? Let's go. Just my palm. Umbrella, huh?